couple of months ago and just seeing a bunch of sheet metal on the ground that had just been cut, and it's all welded and bolted together into it.
I'm on the edge, I ain't coming down. I get too high, I'm afraid of the ground. I'm young and I'm paid to play with these sounds.
So I didn't realize this truck was here until later in the day yesterday when I saw the JTX that posted it online. This is Jay's truck, I believe, and Jay is actually, we put this lift kit on at the shop. This lift kit, this 10-inch striker lift came off of Andrew McNeely's truck, and we're putting a 14 to like 18-inch Papis kit, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
He can't make up his mind, but we're putting like a 14 to 18-inch Papis kit on an identical 5th gen Ram, and we took the 10-inch striker and all accessories and the wheels and tires off of Andrew's truck and put it on Jay's truck. And to me, it's cool as hell to be able to see a truck that we built at the shop at a show like this in the JTX booth. So shout out JTX, shout out Chris from JTX. We just finished up that black and copper any level lift that had the JTX wheels on it, which is super cool. Jay's got JTX 28x16s, and then we got a set of 26x16. No, these 28x16s? Yeah, 28x16 JTX Lotus custom powder. I'm about to get hit by a truck over here. 28x16 Lotus with a custom powder coat done by Andrew at the shop. What do we got? The construction money floating center caps. Jay, don't be mad at me for touching your center cap. I want to make sure to come show some love to the only truck here that was built at the shop. And Jay, I hope you had a good weekend. I'm sorry I didn't see you, but the truck's beautiful. This truck's color shift. It's got a color shift wrap on it. You might be able to see it in the light. That's so cool. With the Forgiatos.
Shoes in the world. Fucking love them. Hey dudes? I fucking love them. I go through a million of them. Have you seen Socky's Hey Dudes? No, what? Look at his fucking Hey Dudes. You're gonna crack up. That's the main thing. Yes, bro. Leather and gray. See how they have a max sport, right? Thank you. Okay. I'll try to remember. I think I told you that last time. Yeah, I know. We both said the same thing at the same time. What do you have done on your truck, engine-wise? Engine-wise? Hot ass food. That's it? Yeah. You gonna take the turbo in?
Not the Hey Dudes again.
Gotta get the Hey Dudes out. Gotta get
Annie and Adrian are over here looking at Mark's Miami. They're looking at Mark's any level lift because they want to do a rear steer on it. So Mark's any level lift might be the first rear steer any level lift. That's what they're working on. And apparently we're going to hood stack the world because Rob's going to hood stack just about everybody in the group's truck. So hood stack the world.
Open the top up at the bottom. I bought my short. I wrapped mine. I bought it. up, dude.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
They're pulling out. You know I wanted to throw you in the video real quick.
Oh, they're pulling out?
Yeah.
They're pulling out?
Come on. Don't leave me like, come on now. You know I love you. You know it's all love. I want to throw you. I want to throw you in the video real quick because I didn't really get to see you yesterday. You ain't come fuck with me at all.
Hold on.
I'm just kidding. You know.
There's something we got to do here.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
We got to do something right here.
Oh, it's clean.
Cold.
She want to get married tonight, but I can't take it because I'm wearing all white.
It's really funny how the world works. We were just at the show in Homestead like 2 hours ago filming this truck. And then now it's sitting at the shop like 2 hours later. And we actually, like I said in the video, we built this truck at the shop. He's picking up a 3rd gen kit to take back to Pensacola. And if you guys know Issa Tummins on Instagram, this is a 3rd gen Papis kit that they're picking up for him. But it's just super cool to see a 5th gen that we had built at the shop that came off of Andrew's old truck. But the truck cleans up nice and it's definitely got a character, you know, characteristics, you know, personality of its own is what I'm saying. But just super cool that, you know, obviously we're back at the shop. 6x6 is sitting over there. I'll be hanging out here until we fly out tonight, and I pulled up and I was like, damn, I know that truck. That's freaking cool. Time to eat. Ooh, look at that. All right.
Come this way.
All right. That was uncalled for. Whole freaking squad rolling up for dinner tonight. You know the vibes. 1 Papis kit, 2 Papis kit, 3 Papis kit. You know the freaking vibes. Come on now. If you don't have a Papis kit, what are you doing, baby? What are you doing, huh? Answer me that. What are you doing?
Getting some Flanagans, baby.
I want to show you guys the new Papis kit in the daytime. The KG1 creators with the Furies. Freaking love it. And he's got this beautiful like orangish brown color on it. Ooh, with the lights on. It's just cool to be able to see more than 1 Papis kit come together after coming a couple of months ago and just seeing a bunch of sheet metal on the ground that had just been cut and it's all welded and bolted together into it. Can't really beat that, can you?
Hey, all the time around here.
You done with the Chevy, Alex?
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't know where you were.
No, you're good. Guess there ain't no better way to beat that, right? Somehow we find ways to one-up ourselves every time we come to Miami. Let's get this bread. Get this bread.
Let's get this bread, baby. Safe trip.
Y'all be safe, all right? Another Miami trip in the books, baby. There really ain't a better way to end the video off than have Vic come get me in the airport at midnight, bro. there ain't no better feeling. Let's get this bread, baby.